Keeping your ears clean and healthy just got smarter with the Endoscope ear cleaner. Equipped with tiny cameras and precise tools, these devices let you see and safely remove earwax in real time right from your smartphone. Ideal for both home use and personal care, here are the best 5 Endoscope ear cleaners that combine safety, clarity, and cutting-edge technology for a cleaner, more comfortable experience. Links to all products are mentioned in the description below. Let's get started at number 5. Dedomon Y10 Endoscope Ear Cleaner. There's something strangely satisfying about seeing technology turn even the simplest self-care routine into a smart, almost futuristic experience. The Dedomon Y10 ear cleaner is one of those fascinating gadgets that makes you pause and think, how did we ever live without something like this? This isn't your average cotton swab moment. It's a mini high-definition exploration of your inner ear world. The first thing that grabs your attention is its built-in camera. Yes, an actual camera inside this tiny ear cleaning tool. It offers a 1920x2080 resolution view, so you can clearly see every detail inside your ear canal. It's oddly mesmerizing and incredibly practical. The moment you connect and start viewing, you realize how satisfying precision can be. What makes this tool feel even more special is its cordless design. No messy wires, no awkward tangles, just smooth, easy movement. The rechargeable 130 mAh battery keeps it running long enough for multiple uses before needing another charge. You can easily hold it like a pen, and its slim design gives it a futuristic elegance. It's comfortable, portable, and fits perfectly into modern life. The real charm, though, lies in its endoscope technology. It's gentle but thorough, ensuring that earwax removal is both safe and effective. The built-in gyroscope stabilizes the camera, so even small hand movements don't distort your view. Combined with the luminous otoscope, it lights up even the darkest corners of the ear canal, letting you clean those tricky spots that normal tools could never reach. There's something reassuring about being able to see exactly what you're doing. It adds a sense of control and confidence. Beyond just cleaning, it's a tool for ear care awareness. It encourages you to be mindful of hygiene and ear protection without risking injury or discomfort. The waterproof and dust-proof lens makes it easy to clean and maintain, and the optimal focus range of 1.2 to 1.5 centimeter ensures every image is sharp. Whether you're tech-curious, health-conscious, or simply someone who enjoys using smart gadgets, this little device manages to blend innovation and practicality beautifully. It's a subtle reminder that even the smallest everyday tasks can be transformed into something high-tech, safe, and surprisingly enjoyable. Pros: portability, visual precision, safety, rechargeable. Cons: limited battery, app dependence. Number 4. Salorie NE16 Endoscope Ear Cleaner. There's a special kind of thrill in exploring the world of smart self-care gadgets, and the Salorie NE16 ear cleaner delivers that excitement in full. At first glance, it feels like a glimpse into the future of personal hygiene, sleek, intelligent, and wonderfully precise. Gone are the days of blindly using cotton swabs and hoping for the best. This wireless ear cleaning device transforms the experience into something controlled, clear, and surprisingly enjoyable. Equipped with a built-in CMOS sensor and 6 bright LED cold lights, it offers a crystal-clear view inside your ear canal. The clarity is so striking that every tiny detail is visible, making ear care both safer and more satisfying than ever. The NE16 doesn't just rely on visuals, it pairs technology with smart design. Its 3-axis gyroscope allows 360-degree motion tracking, meaning you can move naturally without losing orientation. The view stays steady, and the cleaning process feels effortless. The 3.9mm ultra-fine silicone scoop is soft and flexible, designed to remove wax comfortably while protecting delicate ear structures. The material feels gentle against the skin, yet sturdy enough to do its job effectively. Then comes the star of the show, the 5-megapixel HD endoscope camera. It delivers sharp, lifelike images that make the entire process oddly satisfying. You can connect it wirelessly through Wi-Fi to your smartphone via a compatible app, available for both Android and iOS. Within seconds, your phone becomes a live viewing screen where you can capture photos, record videos, and even share visuals if you're the kind of curious person who loves exploring tech details. The video format support for AVI and JPEG makes it versatile, and the instant Wi-Fi connection ensures no delay or lag. Its practicality doesn't stop there. The rechargeable 130 mAh battery charges fully in about 35 minutes and offers around 90 minutes of continuous use, a solid balance between efficiency and portability. The IPX5 waterproof level ensures it stays protected from moisture, and cleaning it afterward is simple. Lightweight at just over 50 grams, it's easy to handle, travel-friendly, and feels premium in hand. The combination of smooth motion control, vivid visibility, and ergonomic comfort makes the Salorie NE16 a must-have for anyone who loves precise, smart grooming tools. Pros: clarity, comfort, wireless design, quick charging. Cons: app reliance, short usage time. Number 3, Natfire NK3 Endoscope Ear Cleaner. There's something incredibly fascinating about how technology has made even ear cleaning feel like a sleek, high-tech ritual. The Natfire NK3 Ear Cleaner isn't just a simple grooming tool. It's a full-blown innovation for anyone who values precision and cleanliness in the most delicate ways. The moment you pick it up, you can tell this device means business. Designed with upgraded, harmless accessories and fully certified under FCC, RoHS, and CE standards, it gives off a strong sense of quality and safety. Whether your ears are dry or oily, it's built to adapt comfortably, ensuring that everyone in the family can use it without worry. The 360° wide-angle lens is one of the most impressive features here. It delivers a professional-grade 1296p HD image that feels almost cinematic in detail. The clarity is stunning. You can see every ridge, curve, and tiny speck within the ear canal. It's like holding a magnified world right on your smartphone screen. This kind of precision transforms what was once a blind cleaning guess into a satisfying and accurate process. The wide-angle view also makes sure you don't miss a single spot of buildup, ensuring your ears are left completely clean and refreshed. Using it feels intuitive and smart. You simply scan the QR code, install the app, press the top power button, and connect to the device's Wi-Fi signal. The connection is stable and quick, turning your phone into a real-time monitor. The app's compatibility across Android and iOS means you don't have to worry about what device you use. Everything syncs smoothly, giving you instant visibility and full control. What makes the NK3 even more interesting is its versatility. It's not limited to ears. It's a compact diagnostic tool that can also help you check your nose, skin, teeth, or even your pet's ears. That multifunctional nature makes it a true household essential, bridging technology and healthcare in an unexpectedly practical way. The lightweight and USB-C rechargeable design makes it easy to handle and always ready for use. Every session feels cleaner, safer, and somehow futuristic, as though you've turned a routine task into a small act of discovery. The Natfire NK3 doesn't just clean, it helps you see and understand your body better. Pros: HD clarity, wide compatibility, versatility, safety. Cons: Wi-Fi connection needed, short battery life. Number 2. Bebird R1 Plus Endoscope Ear Cleaner. Some gadgets immediately grab your attention because they make everyday routines feel smart, seamless, and almost futuristic, and the Bebird R1 Plus Ear Cleaner is a perfect example of that. It's not just a tool for ear hygiene, it's a finely engineered device that turns a simple cleaning session into a precision-driven experience. The moment you hold it, you notice the blend of sturdy steel and smooth PC material, giving it a modern, durable feel. Every detail in this design feels intentional, from its balanced weight to its sleek wireless operation. It's built to fit effortlessly into your hand and your lifestyle. What truly sets the Bebird R1 Plus apart is its 8-megapixel camera. 8 million pixels of clarity packed into a tool smaller than your pen. This high-resolution lens captures every intricate detail inside your ear canal with incredible sharpness. The 6 built-in LED lights illuminate the entire area, making even the tiniest particles visible. You can see wax buildup, skin texture, and every subtle curve of the canal in full HD. It's not just fascinating, it's deeply satisfying to clean with such visual precision. The 3.5mm lens is designed to navigate gently and safely, offering both comfort and control. The wireless Wi-Fi connection is fast and stable, transmitting real-time images at 20 frames per second. There's no delay, no lag, just smooth, responsive visuals that make the experience feel professional. The R1 Plus also features a 6-axis gyroscope, giving you ultra-steady control even with small hand movements. You can tilt, rotate, and adjust naturally while maintaining a clear, consistent view. It feels like the tool is reading your movement and adapting instantly, which makes the entire cleaning process effortless. Powering this device is a 100 mAh rechargeable battery that lasts about 70 minutes on a full charge. The Type-C fast charging system restores it quickly, taking roughly 50 minutes to get back to full capacity. That's ideal for quick home use or family ear checks. The wide 360° viewing angle adds to its immersive clarity, while the broad working temperature range ensures reliability in different conditions. It's not just for ear care either. You can use it to inspect your skin, nose, or even your pet's ears. Every use feels clean, modern, and oddly satisfying, like having a professional-grade otoscope in your pocket. The Bebird R1 Plus isn't just about cleaning, it's about experiencing the fine intersection of technology, hygiene, and curiosity all in one sleek device. Pros: Ultra HD vision, steady control, wireless ease, fast charging. Cons: short runtime. Number 1 and the winner is Bebird Earsight Plus R37R Endoscope Ear Cleaner. Some devices quietly redefine how we think about everyday care, and the Bebird Earsight Plus R37R does exactly that. It takes something as ordinary as ear cleaning and transforms it into an elegant, high-tech ritual. From the moment you unbox it, you can tell this isn't just another ear pick. It's a precision-engineered, thoughtfully designed tool meant to make ear hygiene smarter, safer, and more comfortable. The build itself feels premium, combining soft-touch silicone with durable ABS material for a sleek, ergonomic finish. It fits naturally in your hand, light yet steady, giving you full control during use. What makes this model stand out is its impressive 1000 pixel camera that offers sharp, real-time visuals inside the ear canal. The clarity is mesmerizing. Every tiny detail becomes visible in crisp focus, allowing for safe, guided cleaning instead of guesswork. The embedded lighting provides just the right amount of brightness to reveal the contours of the ear without glare, making the entire experience both effective and strangely satisfying. The Bebird Earsight Plus doesn't just remove wax, it gives you insight into the health and cleanliness of your ear canal. Its bendable design is another stroke of brilliance. This flexibility allows the tip to move naturally, reaching deeper areas while maintaining comfort. You can adjust your angle effortlessly, minimizing the risk of irritation or scratches. The soft silicone scoop glides gently, proving that precision doesn't need to come at the expense of comfort. Whether you're cleaning your own ears or helping a family member, the tool adapts smoothly to every motion, offering a professional-grade experience right at home. The wireless connection keeps the experience clutter-free, turning your smartphone into a live monitor through Bebird's intuitive app. Once connected, you get instant visuals, making the process interactive and engaging. Every session feels cleaner, safer, and more refined-like, combining the calm focus of self-care with the precision of digital technology. The rechargeable battery ensures dependable performance, lasting through multiple uses before needing a quick top-up. Compact, portable, and surprisingly elegant, the Bebird Earsight Plus R37R is perfect for anyone who values a balance of functionality and innovation. It's proof that even the smallest acts of care can feel extraordinary when technology and design come together in harmony. Pros: sharp imaging, flexible design, comfortable grip, wireless use. Cons: app-dependent. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more tech reviews and updates. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.